Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the Botim transaction history in 2026. Now, in order to check it, first of all, you need to simply open the Botim application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to sign in into your account normally. Just make sure that you are also using the updated version of the Botim application because the Botim mini session is now available in the newer versions only. Now, when you are inside it, you just have to simply tap on the option of the Botim money section, which will be available here in the bottom. Now, inside the Botim money section, you just have to simply open the wallet section, then look for the options like history or transaction activity. Now, you need to tap on it in order to view all of your recent wallet and the payment transaction activities. Now, inside the history page, you can usually see your money transfers, your card related payments, your recharge histories and the withdrawals. So you can also use some of the filters like date, payment types and the transfer status, and this way it will be very easy for you to find any type of specific transaction. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.